drifts across parts of the region, and that could continue through tonight. That's going to make the cleanup effort, trying to get these roads cleared off, very difficult through the overnight. We continue with the moderate to heavy snowfall. I just did a little review of how KCI has been reporting since 11 o'clock this morning.
Lisa, kind of a cakewalk compared to what you're dealing with right now.
Talk about night and day, literally, absolutely. By the way, we are westbound on 435 just past Gregory. And Jennifer was talking about big-time problems as far as the wind chills later on. We've got big-time problems out on the roads. 435, several semis. I saw several semis being towed. Seems like more accidents up through that area. It's a very hilly area as well. And one car, I tried to circle back and get a picture of this. There was not a car, but it was a pickup truck that was perched on a guardrail. Again, this was northbound 435, just before the Stadium Drive at the Arrowhead there. It was perched on a guardrail, and thankfully didn't look like there was anyone in it about to go down over. Lots of emergency vehicles around that one. So it is very treacherous out here, and it is getting worse. We've been saying that all day, and I think people are would pay attention to the message, if you will, because there are not a lot of people out on the roads, and that is good news because, again, visibility with all this snow blowing around, you just cannot see, and you cannot see to drive. Reporting live for Operation Stormwatch, Lisa Carter, News Radio 980 KNDT.
AMBC's Kara Markser has been riding a Long Island afternoon with MoDOT crews in a plow. Kara, the latest from where you are.
Eric, we're on 470 South, just right outside of Coburn Road, and we are seeing lots and lots of blowing snow. That seems to be the next big thing for snowplow drivers tonight, is going to be this blowing snow. And we are actually in a tow plow tonight, which is one of those big 30-foot plows that the regular plows pull behind them. So it's a really big. It's got like 30 feet of plowing potential here, and I've been riding along with Dan Duncan as my plow driver tonight. And Dan, you guys have got a really cool feature on this that I wanted to let everybody know about. It's this little laser light that's actually kind of giving you a guide to where exactly that plow is, right?
Yeah, it gives us an idea on what the whole plow is doing. It gives us a spot to shoot for. Cut down damage to signs and guardrails and damage to the snowplow.
And it's a really cool little, it's very bright actually. You can actually see it right now too by checking out KMUZ.com and checking out my stream that we've got going. We are live streaming the tow plow excitement tonight. We have been watching as these plows go up ramps and come back down and rejoin the convoy, and everybody's really trying hard to get these roads cleared off tonight. And it's kind of a not winning battle at this point, I would say. What would you call it at this point, Dan?